Hi, welcome to Lens Life. In this video I will show you how you can edit on music.
Okay, welcome to the computer, guys, and today we are gonna show you guys how to edit on music. So I chose 6 clips. One was like a scene like this, so you just show where I am, then just some slow motion, and then a ukulele slash guitar store slash drum stores. So yes, this is the footage that I use, and then there's like more music stuff because, well, it's nice to edit on music when you have music instruments. So let's start. I wanted to show basically kind of first where I was, but this is all going to be music done with this song. I already chose my song. I like this song. I'll let you listen to it really quickly. So it's very basic music in the beginning, so I don't want that. I kind of want it probably around here, so I first want to cut this music track. Yeah, this is exactly where I want it, so part of that. So what we do, we cut it right here, right when it goes down, because we want to reset the track somewhere else. Just like that, we delete that one. Okay, ripple delete doesn't work because with music tracks it doesn't always work. And then we make this go up at the point where that happens. So at the point when this peak starts. Okay, so it's easier to edit when it's full, because then you see all these big lines. You want to cut on pieces like these spikes sometimes. So let's check this out. Cut it right at this high track here, but you only want to cut this footage, then split. There we go. Now let's see that again. See what I mean? It was just perfectly on a beat and everything. And now it goes down, for example, you can still cut it. Here, listen to this. See how it was weird? That cut was terrible. So let's cut it at when the humming is down. Okay, here it's already gone. I need to see exactly where it is. Okay, yeah, I found it. Found the spot. It's like right there. This spike here, let's cut it on there. You kind of want to cut it on spikes, but you also have to listen to the music really carefully. So just like so, we cut it to the music section. See, very nice cut. I like it, but it's very hard. So you could potentially add a transition, but none of these. These are very weird. Just 3D. Yeah, maybe these 3D. Let's see what this does. Oh, that didn't work. This will work, but I want it faster, much faster. About down to 1 second. There we go. Now let's check this out. And then potentially you could cut it again when it starts humming again. Or you could even speed it up. Let's speed it up. Okay, so right here we split. Okay, yeah, this piece I like to speed up, like a very quick speed ramp here, maybe even a little less. Yeah, something like this. I want to speed ramp this small section here. Times 20. Let's try that. Okay, that's a bit too fast, so what we do is we just grab the rest of the tracks, we slide them a little bit further because or else it's going to mess with the sounds. This one, it's a bit too fast. How about times 8? Let's check this out. I'm pretty sure I can just ripple delete this. Yes, there we go. Okay, let's check this out again. I like that one. That was a nice speed ramp. Did you see that? How it was like a quick section that it went up, and then here we can cut it somewhere again because it's starting to go down. Yeah, here, right here at the ditch here. We edit it we cut the ditch out. There we go. And then we just delete that. Done. The ripple deletes itself, which is nice. There we go. Here actually we can maybe start in faster and then slow it down. That would be nice. Okay, so I want it here. So we split, said split this one. Okay, good, it's split. And then we slow this one down by maybe even less than 0.5. Oh no, we actually speed this one up, sorry, by 4. I like that speed ramp, it's nice, but I actually wanted something here too, so maybe we slow it down here. So we split this one, we slow to, okay, we do custom speed, and then we do 0.8. I think that would be pretty good because it's only 60 FPS this one, so I can't slow it down as much as this one. This one's at 240 FPS, so yeah. Anyways, let's check this out. Yeah, this is perfect transition even. Look, I didn't even have to do anything here. Watch this. I think when I go down I want it faster. So right around when it goes down really fast-ish, something like here. We split. And we split this. Now this is nothing to do with the music, this is just some personal preference that I like to do with this scene. Times 2 maybe? Times 2 should be fine, I think. For this. Okay, I'll render it again and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back guys. Okay, let's continue to do this. So let's check this out. Yeah, I like this. And the song also ends nicely. So what you might want to do is, for example here, we cut the song right here. Not here, because this black piece actually is nice to have. So we cut the song right there. Boom. We do make it go down faster though. Something like that. Let's check it out. Much nicer. Yeah, I like this. So that's how you edit on music. That's how simple it is. You know, all I use is one music track and that's it. You know, so I'll show you guys that in big screen right now.
If you learned something in this video, then I would really appreciate if you left a like down below. And if you have a suggestion for a future video, then comment that down below. And while you're down there, press the red subscribe button. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.